What's up, y'all? I wanted to drop a short video about Ray Dynamics center mole on my SUPER73 R because I did some basic maintenance and I realized I never checked the closure plates and bolts, and they became loose and I lost a couple while riding at the front and at the bottom. Well, I contacted customer support because I wasn't sure which ones they were on the site, and they remember me from the center mole review I did back when, and they sent me free replacements to fit onto my bike and secure. Massive shout out to them, and I appreciate it very, very much. I'm gonna put them on the bike in this quick video. Thanks again, Ray Dynamics. Check this out. Alright, so we have the poly bag open and we're gonna check out its contents. And yep, 2 closing plates, 4 bolts. Thank you, Ray Dynamics, and a couple freebies. Appreciate that. Now let's go ahead and put them on the bike. Alright, so here we have it, guys. Yep, the center mole is looking sharp again and secure, which is the main part. I appreciate you, Ray Dynamics. You guys are awesome. Thanks again. If you guys are watching this video, check out Ray Dynamics. They got really cool products for your SUPER73. Until next time, peace.